Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best electric egg cookers that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Meet the Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker Electric, a compact and versatile kitchen appliance that can cook up to 12 eggs at once. Perfect for busy mornings, meal prep, and quick healthy breakfasts. Priced at just $33.99, this egg cooker offers excellent value with multiple cooking functions including boiling, poaching, omelet making, and vegetable steaming all in one compact device. Large 12-egg capacity for families or meal prep. Cook eggs exactly how you like them, soft, medium, or hard-boiled. Includes poaching tray and omelet maker for versatile cooking. Vegetable steaming function adds extra convenience. BPA-free trays for safer food preparation. Stainless steel design with modern gray finish. Compact size fits easily on kitchen counters. Fast and efficient cooking saves time every morning. Simple one-touch operation makes it beginner-friendly. Pros: easy to use and clean. Multiple cooking options in one appliance. Great for quick breakfasts and healthy meals. Compact yet high-capacity design. Affordable price for the features offered. Cons: limited to small meal preparation. No advanced digital controls or timer display. Exterior may get warm during operation. Number 4. Introducing the Elite Gourmet Digital Egg Cooker, a compact and smart kitchen appliance designed to cook up to 6 eggs perfectly every time. From soft-boiled eggs to omelets and poached eggs, it makes breakfast quick and effortless. At just $29.99, this egg cooker delivers excellent value with digital one-touch controls, multiple cooking modes, and automatic shutoff for added convenience and safety. 6-egg capacity ideal for small families or personal meal prep. Cook soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs with precision. Special onsen tamago mode for Japanese-style soft eggs. Includes poaching and omelet cooking functions. Easy one-touch digital menu for simple operation. Audible alert can be turned on or off based on preference. Auto shut-off feature prevents overcooking. Compact black design fits neatly in any kitchen. Fast cooking saves time during busy mornings. Easy to clean removable parts for convenience. Pros: simple digital controls make it very user-friendly. Multiple cooking options in one compact appliance. Auto shut-off adds safety and convenience. Great for quick breakfasts and healthy meals. Stylish and space-saving design. Cons: smaller capacity compared to larger egg cookers. Plastic components may feel lightweight. No advanced timer display or app connectivity. Number 3. Introducing the Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker Electric, a compact and efficient kitchen appliance that can cook up to 6 eggs at once. Perfect for making soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs quickly and easily every morning. Priced at $29.99, this egg cooker offers solid value with multiple cooking functions including poaching, omelet making, and automatic shutoff for hassle-free cooking. 6-egg capacity ideal for small families or personal use. Cook soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs with ease. Includes egg poacher and omelet maker functions. Auto shutoff feature helps prevent overcooking. BPA-free cooking tray for safer food preparation. Stainless steel and silver finish gives a modern look. Compact countertop-friendly design saves kitchen space. Fast heating system cooks eggs quickly and efficiently. Simple operation makes it beginner-friendly. Easy to clean removable accessories for convenience. Pros: compact and lightweight design. Multiple cooking options in one appliance. Easy to operate and clean. Auto shutoff adds safety and convenience. Affordable price for everyday kitchen use. Cons: limited 6-egg capacity may not suit large families. Plastic parts may not feel premium. No digital timer or display features. Number 2. Meet the Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker Electric, a stylish and compact egg cooker designed to prepare up to 6 eggs quickly and perfectly. Whether you prefer soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs, this cooker makes breakfast simple and convenient. At only $29.99, this egg cooker offers excellent value with multiple cooking functions, auto shut-off safety, and a sleek stainless steel design perfect for everyday kitchen use. 6 egg capacity ideal for small families or meal prep. Cook soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs with precision. Includes poacher and omelet maker for versatile cooking. Auto shut-off feature prevents overcooking and adds safety. BPA-free components for healthier food preparation. Durable stainless steel construction with modern black finish. Compact design saves countertop space. Fast and efficient heating system for quick cooking. Easy one-touch operation for hassle-free use. Removable accessories make cleaning simple and convenient. Pros: stylish and compact kitchen-friendly design. Multiple cooking options in one appliance. Very easy to operate and clean. Auto shut-off improves convenience and safety. Affordable price with practical features. Cons: limited capacity for larger households. No digital display or timer settings. Exterior may become warm during use. Number 1. Introducing the Hamilton Beach 6-in-1 Electric Egg Cooker, a versatile kitchen appliance that does much more than boil eggs. From omelets and egg bites to poaching and frying, it's an all-in-one breakfast solution. Priced at $32.95, this multifunctional cooker delivers excellent value by combining an egg cooker, poacher, omelet maker, and mini skillet into one compact appliance. 6-in-1 multifunction design for versatile cooking. Perfect for hard-boiled eggs, poached eggs, omelets, and scrambled eggs. Includes sous vide style egg bite maker for cafe-style breakfast at home. 5.25-inch nonstick skillet ideal for frying and quick meals. Compact countertop-friendly design saves kitchen space. Easy one-touch operation for convenient cooking. Non-stick cooking surface makes cleanup quick and easy. Durable aluminum and plastic construction with modern gray finish. Fast heating system for quick breakfast preparation. Great for busy mornings, dorm rooms, or small kitchens. Pros: extremely versatile with multiple cooking functions. Compact and convenient for everyday use. Non-stick skillet simplifies cleaning. Great for quick breakfast meals and meal prep. Affordable price considering the features included. Cons: small skillet size limits larger meal preparation. No digital timer or advanced controls. Exterior may become warm during operation. If you want a compact all-in-one breakfast cooker, the Hamilton Beach 6-in-1 is definitely worth checking out. Check the link in the description for the latest price and details, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews and kitchen gadget recommendations.